So very good. In the last session, we have started with the text, right? And hope we can type some normal text and paragraphic text, and placeholder text is clear. So dummy text could be done up. Then after the real design could be placed, or real information can be placed as per that layout. For that purpose, you can have to use this what placeholder text. So once again, start dragging this, give a right click, switch to the placeholder text. So this is the dummy text. And what is the full full key presentation, full screen presentation? F9. So hope this F9 button is known to you, right? Which button? F9. Does the voice reaching now?
Yes, sir.
And so let's make it zoom out. F4 and F2 is for zoom tool. So get zoom. And in the last session, we have understood about in the paragraphic indent, means the left and right indent, first line shifting, space before and after the paragraph, justification. And in the frame, we got to know how to change the background color and column formations. That things we have learned. And inside the text character property, yes, if we need to make caps lock to all, then all caps is available here. So we can make all caps immediate. No, none. So hope we got to know these are the options which is in hidden mode. Superscript, subscript, and caps lock is here, which is not visible inside the character properties, but it is a part of the character property. Next, here some other setting are there. We can switch to any color we wish. So let us go for individual text handling. Making logo designing is done through the text. So let's go for animation. So if you need to make it capital letter, what is to be done? Switch to the character properties, and here drop down box and switch this place as all caps. So hope we have understood now how to turn this normal typing into caps lock typing. Underlining, strike through, all available here. So double line, single, thick. Now except this, yes, we can make the text to break down now. So check spelling is a property. We can give a right click and switch to the check spells. Control F12, the first hotkey of the day. Control F12. Check spelling. Check spell. And inside the check spell, yes. Control F12. Check spell. It's finished, like completed. If no animation and no mistake is there, it is then completed. So it is a property in the right click. Check spell. Now we'll be moving to the next higher part inside the text is how to convert the text into objects. Switch to the object menu and go for this. It's a beautiful option. Break artistical text. Control K. What happened now? Individual text it becomes, but it is still a text. We can able to modify the text by double click. If it is I, we can go for J. So hope we have understood now what is the first option in Corel to make the text to break apart. Control K. So what happened in that? We can make the text to turn into individual text. Control K. So individual text it becomes. Now, one more keyboard shortcut. Once you have typed out, Control A, select all. Control and num key 6 button. It will increase the font size, and 4 button to decrease. Note down this. So this is a different keyboard shortcut in Corel, which is in Adobe something else. CTRL plus 6 button, and that 6 to be where? Num key. To increase the font size, 10 points increasing. The same way, to decrease the font size, yes, we can use the 4 button, 4 num key, that to be not main keyboard. It is for decreasing, not increase, decreasing font size. Now 1 point to get increase, the same, Control C, Control V. Rather than using your 6, we can use 8 button. And rather than using 4, we can only use 2 button. So this is the keyboard shortcut to make 1 point increasing and 10 point increasing in font size. In CorelDRAW, these are the hidden keys. So check to the scan now. I'm increasing a font size, decreasing a font size, everything written. 1 point go, 1 point minus, single point changing. You can find out the difference here. So hope we have understood now how to increase font size and all. Next keyboard shortcut. Control and greater than and smaller than to change the orientation. Plus get full stop or greater than anything. Orientation change. So everything I'm typing, so make sure you are noting down, because Corel is very important software in the market. Immediately you'll get a job. Horizontal and vertical. So hope we have understood now what is this 2 command is doing. Control A. Okay, fine. So this much of hotkeys we came across, how Corel can able to handle the size and the orientation. Now coming to the Control K button. So we'll switch to the button Control K. If the text is again a closed shape like O, A like things, then there are 2 circles are there. Now again you need to go for Control K once more, like Control Q. This is convert to curves. So convert to curves makes the text to go for editable mode. So here it is no more text, it is outline. We can also drag it out. So hope we have understood now. To break down a text into independent, we do have a process called CTRL plus K, where individual text will appear from the group text, then CTRL plus Q, convert to curves, will turn the text to object. So there are 2 processing we have adopted. Directly also we can go. So take a new file. So Control Q. So it is directly into the convert to curves. So then after, yes, if it is a group object, you can go for break apart and get them separate. But it is 2 objects. So it has 2 objects inside it. You can change the color and find what it is. Then go down. So every text, if it is a closed shape, then it is a combined object. We can able to break apart. Then if you need to make it once more, then combine it once more, combine. So hope we have understood. Every text, if it is a closed shape, then it is a combined object. We can break it apart. So let us go for a case of logo designing. So I'm closing this now here. Animations. Now, the inside of OAA to be get in yellow color, then what is to be done? Yes, immediately you can go for Control Q button, or this convert to when to use this, when to use this. If you need to get completely change the shape, then go for this. Only few alphabet has to be replaced with other alphabet, then it is to be done. So we can have to move it independently. but our spelling is correct. So we can go for convert to curves. Then this object are in group combined format. We can able to break it apart. So once it break apart, then each and every object gets separate because A and O are multiple objects. So it gets separate. Now let us make these three to turn into a different color and send to backside. We know how to send to backside by the ordering option. You can see this button is double. Can you able to see? Here some color identity is there. Complete backside means this is icon. No need to read also this. You can find two boxes below this yellow like orange color box is there. So it is single step. It is multi-step. So hope we have understood now how to send them back and change the color. So hope we have understood how to break down a subject into individual part and get a logo designing. Now let us go for the next. T. So T is a structure which is combination of a lot of node points. You can raise this by the help of your direct selection tool. I mean like shape tool, and get it drag like this with the help of your shift button and also this side. So hope we have understood now how to make a logo designing from a normal text and get extra part. Rise this. Rise this. Hope it is clear. Is it okay? Are you getting under conference on that?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what is the task now? Take a text and break down the text into multiple part and enlarge different part. So let us see now how to flip this. Yes, one button go flip. Text logos are there where original text will be there. A little modification is there. No, to make a logo, it is not mandatory to take a symbol or something. Even text itself could be a logo. So get some changes, try to create the rhythms and make the text to turn into a logo. So hope this is clear. Once again, so try to find out the text properties and the shape. So here a lot of like bends are there. You need to create the bend to be straight. Then how to do this? Step number one, switch that into break apart or convert to curves. Then after, yes, you can select these two nodes by the shape tool and try to do the alignment. So alignment could be done up horizontal or vertical. So here we have tried to bring them into a straight node. Then, yes, we know this could be straight. Select this button and straight it. So now we are saying how to make the micro part of the text to get normal. So here also the same. Node select, vertical alignment. Okay, so maybe like which is selected and will be the target that we have already learned. Select this and straight. Select this and straight. So hope we have understood now how to make this point to get align proper first by the align button. Select all this and lastly you select this so that all will align to the last one. And then straight this. So hope we have understood now how to modify the shapes to make a straight line with all the nodes. The reason of doing this, break the text into multi-part and get it more simplified. So tails will be there, some bends are there. Here see, it is not aligned proper. So alignment to be done. So that micro level changes to be get done. Alignment button, horizontal, get it out. So horizontal align. So the text will be stylish, but you can able to break the style into simplified manner, and logo is a very simplified version of the complex design. Now aid always not required to be in left side only, break apart, select all this and get it combined, select all this and get it combined, select this and get it flip up. So hope we have understood now how to flip the design from its original shape. So hope we have understood now how the text could be customized, individual part of the text could be customized. So take some text and try to modify and make a shape. Hi. So converting the text into a character. Converting the text into a character. So how we can do this? Control Q. Then after Control what? K. Then after Control L, note down. If you're getting very nice, if you're not getting, note and stop the class. So that it has to be done from your end. While to use Control Q, Control K, Control L. 3 buttons we are using. CTRL plus L. What is Control L in Corel Draw? Control L means what? Okay. We are paying for this combined. What is Control K?
Break apart.
Great, break apart. So Corel revolve around 3 buttons only. Control L, Control K, Control Q. And F10 button. So if that is okay, Corel under your control. Very simple, the software. Instantly you get jobs. You can see like only 2 months you are learning and immediately getting a job. That is a big thing in this particular field. So, but what I'm trying to say that this things has to be only 20 options would call ante. And rest of the things is a job. Fine. So what is that task now? How to convert a character text into a character? So we need to add some features here. So how to do? Already you have learned. Get some freehand drawing. Just add some face structure. Okay, fine. So right. A shape bus I'm taking and get them add to this. How to add? What is the command to add this? Combine, welding, all these options we have learned, right? Select both this and this. Welding. Is it clear? Just a rough drawing, but you can take a reference and do it up, and 100% quality will come up because it is vector. Now the hand, get it close and get it weld. So hope we have understood now how to develop the story. So we can add this. Is it okay? Adding, then yes, you want to make legs and all. What to be done? Get some extra options and get it go. So easy. And here you can break. So it doesn't require, then yes, delete and add up extra things. Get the swoosh done here. Now it is the time to get cut. How to make a cut? Here we need to make a cut. Separate, out, out, select, break apart, and get it into next color. Good. Is it okay? What we are learning now? How to make a character design from a text. Yes, imagination does matter. And this to be a little wider. And you can do much more better than this. Yes, patience required. That is must. Am I right? The respect for you, for me, and for my senior also the same. So how to generate new character from the existing character. Right. So hope we have tried our level best to generate some character inside it, but it should go in a meaningful manner, and you can think like red chili, and then inside the chili writing the information to be there, like hot, cold. So if you are writing cold, because company will ask you this, cold, then what could be added to the cold so that appearance of the cold should look like a cold? So that arrangement to be done up. So maybe like some snowfalls below, we add some. Yeah. Get it close. Get below the things and send to back, and get the stroke to be done by right click. So try to generate a coldly behavior on the screen in one or the other way. So text and their meaning should reflect in the shape. Fat, thin. So if somebody is writing to be fat, then you cannot able to write fat in a slim. So this is a typography is a course, but we can able to learn also. Regular Control T. So to make the fat to look like a fat, the design should be a little thicker. Select now, switch to the character palette and go for Arial Black. You can see it reflects more fat than the before one. Press enter. So which looks more fat, that we decide. Just to show you, like even text reflect the meaning. So as per that, can get it used. So now the two tasks has been given. So task number 1, logo from text. Text design with meaning reflection. Example, hot, cold. Emotion has to come up. Chilly. If you are doing this at the time of a job, it will not be a burden for you, because job is this. They'll ask, I need to make a logo designing for a restaurant. Is a task. And the company should like that logo. And it should reflect even a person not knowing English can able to understand this is called a restaurant logo. So the restaurant reflection has to be there. Food related logo. Fine then. So here the task is very clear. 2 tasks have been given. Take some reference and do the work. Don't think and do work. No. You are not allowed to think now. So what is to be done? Take the reference from the net and start working on it learn from the masters. Yes, creativity to be there, you'll be putting the creativity, nothing wrong in it. But while learning, let us learn from the masters. Because all seniors are doing this and learning to be done from the books and all. So because there is a 4-year course of making graphic design, and like designing is a degree course. Degree in the sense, BFA, fine arts. In fine arts, they teach all these things. So what we can do now, if you are from fine arts background, very nice. If not, start following to the logos, text logo. Hope we can find now these many text logos are there. Only text reflecting, making. So take some reference and get works. So hope we can now understand what is required in this field. Job is easy, but we need to involve. Fine then. So let me move to the next one. So the summary till now, whatever we have learned is like how to break a text and make it individual part. Second, we got to know how to check the spelling. Third, we got to know how to add our own design to the text design. Is it okay? Now the fourth one, same text, rather than using a text, make a text. If we need to make a text, then use the graph. So now we have switched to the grids. There is a small button on CorelDRAW on the top side, you can find in the option bar. Grid on the grid. Now start placing your subject on the grid. And there is an option called snapper, snap to grid. There is an option, baseline grading, guidelines, and document grid. So it will not allow you to make a mistake. And grid could be controlled with measurement also later. But for the timing, how to on the grid, how to snap to the grid, we have learned. And the bigness, once you're making something with the grid, then you can place it up properly. Select both and combine this. And what we have seen now, we have started making our own shapes. Now grid is there, so we can add one more structure here. So making the structure, add up till this and get it close. So hope we have understood now how to generate our own fonts. Just check a little care on the edge, but it will come up. F10 is a button where you can have to select this and get it, delete or make it smooth or straight. It depends, like if extra node is there, you can get it close. Fine. So my goal is to make it so like how to add this set, how to use the grid. Then select this, come here, get it flipped, get it flipped. Select all, get it none. And get off the grid and switch to F10, F9 button. So hope we have understood now how to generate a shape or alphabets with the help of your present knowledge. Is it clear? So the next task, make a text without using text. Make a alphabet or text without using font tool or text tool. So 3 tasks has been given. As you are making, or not check, but if you are making, it's very nice. Fine then. So I will not make you more strain. So I got late, sorry. And we'll meet in the next week with the higher options. Happy weekend. If any question is there, you can ask me up now.
Sir, I tried a magic.
Just mute your mobile. So you have sent some of the files, right?
Yes.
Okay, open also now. Fine, fine, fine. In CorelDRAW you've done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great, great. అది టెక్స్ట్ వార్పింగ్ యూజ్ చేసింది
అవును సార్.
Fine, fine. So nice. Yes, yes. Everyone can able to make some magazines like this. It don't change. So a lot of ideas are there in your brain. You can see how beautiful it is done. I'm not shown in the class, but imagination makes it differ. So you can think beyond like, and every brain is super brain. They can do wonders. And this is a particular field. There is no seniority, juniority, aim calculation like that. Because your design is liked by the people, you are hero. This is what the field is. That means we can bid to a 10-year experience person also, because your brain thinking innovative. Just I'm telling what is your value. Yes, experience count, but I'm just telling like here it is not a big matter. Like you can bid to a 10-year experience persons because you think beyond. That what I believe. I just meant. This is one of these options, Manoj, or anything else you have sent.
సార్
ఇది ఒకటే పంపించింది no?
అది ఒకటే ఉన్నాయి.
Thank you, thank you. Fine then. So we'll meet in Monday with the higher options then. And the task is like very clear. Hope I can able to make few logos. Take the reference and do it up. Just don't put strain on your brain. Make a target. Okay, I want to make this. These are all text, right? Only text are there. And company is waiting for you. Only a little modification to be done. Make simplified logos and get it placed. Which is not happening, leave it up. But at least 10 logos to be done up. Latish, can you? 10 logos as it is there. Same to same. This net same to same in the Fine. That's it for the day. I'm stopping the screen now. Thanks a lot.